Now the variables. Now, with the advent of alphabets, whenever you are going to say a equals to, now it become a variable. Why variable? Because at any time you can change the value of a with anything, with string, with integer, with float. You can change the value of variable at any time. That's why it's called a variable. Now the important part, loop. It automatically says loop means repeat. It always says repeat. So let's take an example. If I say for I in range of something, mean to say for type of a loop. It's just a name. For I is the variable which has to be processed until the range is in the box. Like if I put range 10, now this I can process 10 times within a loop. Like if I say for I in range of 2, and then I'll say print double quotes hello class. So whenever it execute, it will show me hello 2 times. Why 2 times? So whenever this I will execute, first time I will print hello because it has to approach to 2. So when I will start, when I equals to 1, it prints hello. Then I have to be n to 2. Then it automatically go back to an I and check whether it's 2 or not. No, right now it's 1. Then it increases value. Now I equals to 2, and then it prints again hello. Now there is nothing left in this part, and there is nothing left to be printed after the ith condition. So that's why our hello will be printed 2 times. So this is a basic concept of loop. You just have to go back for an iteration. Like I'll show you in some kind of diagram. Let's start. I have to start for S, and I'm going to put some information in my input box. Now my information is x is equals to 7. Now I process my information to some decision box. Here in this decision box, if x equals to 7, if yes, now my conditions have 2 portions. If yes, then I'm going to print something. If no, if no, it will go back and if no, it will go back and say, try again with x. So it never ends until it gets the condition 7. X approaches to 7. Whenever it gets it, it prints something and our loop ends. Same above here. So this is a syntax of a loop. This is a dramatic loop, diagrammatic loop. So this is how loops work in any kind of programming.